Welcome to my fan repair guide. It's more or less not a guide, but I'm sure it'll help some of y'all, I guess. Because this fan has been sitting here for how much years? How much?
I don't know, 5, 6 years.
So it's been sitting for 6 years, just sitting in a fucking basket, just in the middle of just all this whole mess, just this entire mess. It's just been sitting there, lonely, just like that one alone child in a six child family, just sitting, not eating, not doing anything, just dead in the middle of the room. So yeah, we're gonna attempt to fix it then. Here we see me attempting to solder a fan, but I fail miserably. So my friend's brain and mine came up with an amazing idea. We connected our only brain cells, so we made this beautiful idea of using a copper wire to bridge either both ports to see which one would work. It worked fucking amazing. It works. It fucking works. It works. Oh my god. Now that it works, we're gonna try to fuck it up. It's been sitting 6 years, no lube, no nothing. Anyways, let's do it. Now we're gonna see if this fan that is rated for how much? 5 volts will withstand 20 volts. One ball, 2 ball, and a long shaft. Oh yeah, perfect. Oh, hello. I was just fixing the fan more, I guess. Basically, this after video. I hope you enjoyed. I guess this is what's left. Oh, basically, yeah. I don't know what else to say except fucking. You better subscribe, or I will come to your house, and if you don't like the video, I will make you down an entire fucking glue stick. You understand? You fucking understand?